If you're tired of hearing that it's super easy to start Shopify dropshipping and you want the truth about what it actually takes to be successful, then definitely watch this video. This is the dropshipping model that you usually see. The customer buys a product from your store, then you buy the product from your supplier, and the supplier ships it to your customer, and you keep the difference. But there's actually so much more that goes inside of each one of these, and today I'm gonna break down what it takes to get a customer. So these are the different ways that I personally acquire my customers. I post organically on TikTok, I pay for advertising on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, all these other places, and I pay for influencers. And it's a lot more than just saying that because actually doing those things are harder than it looks. Take a look. In order to post organically, you need to make good content or you're going to be spending 24 hours a day making content and none of it is going to go viral because you haven't learned how to make actual good converting content. Next, you need to learn how to run ads profitably because you can spend money on ads. You can launch Facebook, TikTok ads, but if you don't know how to do it profitably, then you're just going to waste your time. And 3, you need to learn how to work with influencers because you could spend $2,000 working with an influencer and the post does not work out for you, or you can never repurpose the content. So it's not something that you just jump into and start working with influencers. You actually need to learn how to do it. All right, so now we have our customer, but now we need to keep our customer and we need to be able to get more customers. This is what goes down. To actually be able to keep a customer, you need to have A1 customer service, you need to keep your chargebacks down, and you need to keep a payment processor. Both of these are based on how well you do customer service. What do I recommend for customer service? 100% I recommend that you outsource your emails as soon as possible. There are people on Fiverr who will do your customer service and will reply to your emails. You don't have to hire them full time. You can hire them a couple times a week for them to get through all of your emails. I know it's going to be an extra cost, but you don't want to spend your time answering emails. You need to be doing CEO things and moving the business forward and marketing and things like that. So I know it's a cost, but it's a needed cost. Okay, so what happens if you don't focus on customer service? Then you get chargebacks, which means people are calling their bank. My order never arrived, customer service didn't reply to me, and I want my money back. And they will take the money away from you and give it back to the customer. The main reason why you need to steer away from this, obviously, is because of your brand reputation, but 2, because if you get too many chargebacks, your payment processor will be taken away. I know we just went over a lot, but that was only one step out of the entire dropshipping model, and it was just acquiring customers. If you guys want me to do the rest, let me know in the comments. Don't forget that I have full tutorials on my profile. You know where to click, and I'm always here if you have any questions, so let me know.